Hi, I am Priyanka Sahu from Priyanka Sahu online classes. Today we will discuss properties of matter and their measurement. There are two types of properties of the substance like physical properties and chemical properties. We can measure the physical properties, or we can say those properties which can measure without changing the chemical composition or the structure of matter, like mass of the substance, volume, boiling point, freezing point, or density. But we cannot measure the chemical properties without changing its structure. We can measure the mass, the volume. आमे कोनोसी वस्तुर वस्तुत्व, तार आयतन, तार गलनांक, स्फुटनांक आमे मापी परिबा. सो आमे कहि परिबा जे यार वस्तुत्व होची एतिकी केजी, 2 केजी, 3 केजी, 4 केजी. So these are quantitative in nature, and these physical properties we can say physical quantities. In our day-to-day life, so many measurements are required. When we go to market, we buy vegetables, fruits, rice, sugar in kilogram, and we buy oils, milk in liter, and also so many types of measurement required in construction site. And also in scientific studies, so many measurements are required, like measurement of mass, density, volume, pressure, temperature. These are called physical quantities. When we go to market, we buy, let's take an example. We buy sugar, 2 kg sugar. We ask the seller to give us 2 kg sugar. See here, it consists of 2 parts. One is 2 and another is kg. This is a numerical, this is a number, and this is an unit. What is unit? A unit is defined as the standard of reference to measure any physical quantity. तो जेकोसी गोटे फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को मापिया पाई आमको गोटे निर्दिष्ट एकक नबाकू पड़िला. जेमती आमे मनकर एठू ए जाय एतिक डिस्टेंस आकु आमे कोन कहिबा, आकु फिक्स हे गला ये 1 मीटर. बा आमे किछि वस्तुत्व नेले जेमती स्टैंडर्ड आकु नेले स्टैंडर्ड भाबरे नेले निर्दिष्ट एतिकी वस्तुत्व नेले ये हला 1 केजी. या सबु स्थान पाई समान. सो a unit is defined as the standard of reference to measure any physical quantity. पुरातन काल रे कौन होउथिला ना द्रव्य विनिमय व्यवस्था थिला, जहा फल रे कौन होउथिला जदि गोटे लोकर अधिक धान उत्पादन होउची तेबे से तार बळका धान को कौन करूथिला व्यापारी को देई ताठारू अलगा प्रकार जिनस जेमती धान चाउल डाली बा अन्य आवश्यक जिनस आनी पारुथिला. व्यापार वाणिज्यटा गोटे निर्दिष्ट अंचल मध्यरे सीमित थिला. किंतु वर्तमान कौन हे गलानी एहा गोटे अंचल रे सीमित हे कि नाही, ए पूरा विश्व को व्यापी गलानी. तेणु आमको गोटे निर्दिष्ट माप व्यवस्थार आवश्यकता पड़ुछि. जदि गोटे देश रे वस्तुत्व मापिया केजी व्यवहार कला बेल को कोठे पाउंड व्यवस्था थी, कोठी दूरता मापिया मीटर बा किलोमीटर व्यवस्था थिला बेल को कोठी यार्ड व्यवस्था थी. देन we may face different types of difficulties. To overcome these difficulties came international system of unit, that is SI unit. There are two types of unit, that is basic unit and derived unit. What are basic unit? बेसिक यूनिट गुड़ा कौन ना एमाने कहा उपरे निर्भरशील नुहंती, एमानकर स्वतंत्र यूनिट रही थाए. जेमती आमे नै परिबा एग्जांपल लेंथ, मास. लेंथ रो बेसिक यूनिट कौन होची मीटर, METR. एंड मास रो यूनिट होची कौन ना केजी. डिराइव्ड यूनिट रे आमे एग्जांपल नै परिबा कौन वेलोसिटी, आमे नै परिबा वॉल्यूम. वॉल्यूम रो यूनिट कौन, वॉल्यूम होची लेंथ रो क्यू, लेंथ रो क्यू. सो लेंथ रो यूनिट होची कोन ना मीटर सो वॉल्यूम रो यूनिट हैला कोन ना मीटर क्यू सो वॉल्यूम यूनिट पाई कहा ऊपर निर्भर कला लेंथ ऊपर निर्भर कला ठीक सेमती आमे माने करना बा डेंसिटी the unit of density but density is equal to mass per volume mass is equal to mass रा unit कौन kg by volume रहला कौन mq बा मीटर क्यू सो डेंसिटी कहा ऊपर निर्भर कला लेंथ आउ मास ऊपर निर्भर कला कहा पाई तार यूनिट पाई देयर आर 7 बेसिक यूनिट लेट अस discuss the basic units. Look towards 7 basic units and SI units. Physical quantities, 7 physical quantities that is length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. The symbol of length is small l and its SI unit is meter. The symbol of meter is m. Mass, its symbol is m and SI unit is kilogram and we can write the symbol of kilogram is kg. Time t, its SI unit is the SI unit of time is second and the symbol of second is s. Electric current, its symbol is I and the SI unit is ampere and we can write ampere as A. Thermodynamic temperature T and SI unit is Kelvin and symbol is K. Amount of substance in its SI unit is mole and symbol is MOL. Luminous intensity, its SI unit is candela and we can write candela as CD. Let us discuss what are derived units. Derived units are derived from the 7 basic units as we already discussed. So, take some examples of derived unit, that is area, volume, density, acceleration, force, pressure. First we discuss the unit of area. Area is equal to length into length or square length is equal to the SI unit of length is meter into meter, m into m. We can say square meter. The symbol we can say meter square, m square. Then come towards volume. Volume is equal to cubic length. So its SI unit is equal to is cube meter and its symbol is MQ, meter cube. Density is equal to mass per volume. The SI unit of mass is kilogram and its symbol is kg. The SI unit of volume is meter cube. Its symbol is MQ. So, the SI unit of density is kg per meter cube. And then come towards the velocity. Velocity is distance covered by unit second. Distance by time. The SI unit of distance is meter. Symbol hela m by time. The SI unit of time is second and its symbol is s. So we can write m per s. And the SI unit of acceleration. Acceleration is equal to what? Acceleration is the change of speed per unit time. So change in speed per unit time. The SI unit of speed or velocity is m per s, per unit of time is s. So the SI unit of acceleration is m per second square. meter per second square. Then come towards force. Force, the SI unit of force is Newton and its symbol is N. Then come towards the SI unit of pressure is Pascal and its symbol we can write the symbol as PA. Hope you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe my channel.